What's up, pineapples? Welcome back. So today I have an Amazon video for you, and it's the top beauty products, like the creme de la creme of the stuff that I love. Now, I feel like during all this time that a lot of us made a lot of spontaneous types of purchases, and we got crap that we didn't really need, and you got it, and you got some sort of gratification when you ordered it, and you said, oh my gosh, it's coming. Okay, it's coming in 2 days. You got it, and that was pretty much it. You didn't really use it afterwards, but I'm going to be showing you beauty products that I still use to this day. I'm 100% satisfied with my purchase, and I just use it all the time, and it's worth it. So Amazon beauty products I'm constantly using, and it wasn't a waste of my money. So let's get into it. Okay, so product number one, but it's kind of like two because they go together, is my light for my gel nails. This is amazing. It's very small, light. It packs a punch. I've had it this whole time, and I love it. It's super affordable. I know that there's some really expensive ones online. You really don't need it. It's perfect. It's so easy. I like that the cord actually disconnects so I can just place it and store it easier. There are some that they're just all in one, which I've had before, and I've had like a larger one, but this one is great. Along with this drill. Now, this is actually the third drill I have tried out, and this one is the Melody Susie. Very affordable. I think it was like 24 bucks. There's some that are also really expensive that can go up to like 200 bucks. Obviously, those are more professional, but this one is great because it's super small. Again, it detaches. So look how small that is. And you just connect it with this cord. I had the one that had like the little box and you could reverse it and all that. This one, you can do that, but you just have a little switch if you wanted to move reverse or forward. And then you have your speed control right here. Now, like I said, I used to have that one that was on the box. Super inconvenient, much larger. It does come with a box of all the attachments, and I like the color. So those two, the best. Next up, I have masks. Now, not regular masks, which I do use, but hand masks. Now, I have tried these like every now and then within the couple years, but ever since we started using so much hand sanitizer, obviously your hands can dry up. These have saved me. My hands got so bad that they were so raw that they hurt even when I was in the shower. No matter what, they were raw, and these completely saved me. They were just repairing my hands at night, and it was just relaxing, just to like lay down, wear my gloves, and that's it. Just do it on a day where you do your own little spa day or relaxation, and it's great. While you're watching Netflix, just wear these babies. They just make my skin feel so smooth, and they make my hands not look rough, and yeah, you always want to protect your hands too. Gosh, I have a lot of hand and nail stuff because I just realized I have this. Now, I've had this purchased for like a couple years now, probably like 3 years, and it's one of my go-tos. So if you do your own gel manicure, these clips are a savior. Now, I know you can use foil and cotton and you put the acetone and you place it on your hand, but I find that sometimes no matter how hard that you try to push the foil down, it's not like right on your nail, and this really helps it. So you don't have to use foil and waste it. You can just use the cotton, place the cotton in here, and you clip it onto your nail. And since there is some grip to it, it pushes the cotton down to your nail, and your gel polish will obviously come off much easier because the acetone is directly on the nail. There's some good pressure. It's not super tight. And I also use this on my toes. So I clip them on my toes. I just sit there. Mind you, I have a size 10 foot. So sometimes the big toe kind of comes off, but you just got to reposition it. But they're great and they're so convenient. Like I said, you don't, oh, here's an example. I have one that has the cotton that just came out. So I just put acetone, place it right here, place my nail, and I just sit down and again, chill, watch Netflix, whatever. These, I've had them for years. Highly recommend. Next up, my crystal fan. This is one of those purchases where I thought, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And in the back of my mind, I thought, what a dumb purchase. You're buying this little mini fan. You know damn well you will not be using this in the future. You guys, it's my favorite thing at the end of my makeup routine. Whenever I put my setting spray, hold on, specifically like a really wet one, like the Make It Last from Milani, I just let it sit right there, pop up my fan, 1, 2, 3. I always put on 3. And it dries my face so well. Also, not just for setting spray, when it gets a little bit warm, and you know when you're doing your makeup and maybe you don't want to put the air conditioner on, you just want like a little bit of air, it just sits, hold on, can I show you? It just sits nice and, nice and flat, and you have a little little fan. And the third option packs a pretty good punch. Like when I got this, I didn't think it was going to have that much power, but I thought it was going to be on level 1. I'm like, oh, okay. It's like, and then 2, ooh, 3, yes. Come with some sort of like scented thing, but I just tossed it. It was like lemon, I believe. Like you can do some sort of aroma, some scent or whatever it came with. I don't bother with it. And I actually just took off the part, but it's so easy. I highly recommend this. And it's so cute. It just sits right on your table. I honestly feel like I'm going to bring this to Disneyland with me when I get hot. It's just so convenient and small. Next up is a serum that I find that is really good. It's the most affordable and people always want long, luscious lashes. Now, I just recently bought a new one and it's the Lavish Lash Eyelash and Brow Serum. This is the best one. I have tried expensive ones that were $90 like Revita Lash. I've done Grande Lash. I've done a lot of the lashes and they're all like 50 and up. Well, no, most of the ones I've tried are like 65 and up. So if you guys want to try this out, it's only $30, I believe. Definitely half the price of all of them. It makes my lashes really nice and strong. Obviously, you're going to lose some lashes. It's natural. Now, this one doesn't look as cute because it is used and we've been using it, and it comes in a pack of 2 or 4, I forgot. It's this exfoliating mitt. Now they do have larger ones, which I have tried and I do have one, but it's like way too long. I love this smaller one and I'll link everything down below because it's like a mitt and you place it, and in the shower, I personally use Dove, so I just place it and you exfoliate your body. When you see all the dead skin come off, it's so much. Like you think you're clean, you're really not that clean. I use this about 2 to 3 times a week. Do not use it on your face. Also, just be careful with any sensitive areas, any cuts or open areas, because this is really abrasive. So just gently exfoliate and you will see everything. It's a shocker. Like I'm telling you, you need this. It's life-changing. My skin is much more smooth. When I put on my lotion, it feels like it sinks in. It's not sinking into my dead skin anymore. But yeah, highly recommend this. But again, just be careful when you use this because it can be abrasive. Do not use it on your face. I do not recommend it. Now, if you happen to have a lot of makeup brushes like myself right here, or, quite a few, this Lazy Susan from M Design, there's like other brands as well. I'll link them down below. I have this divider and there's a circle in the middle. In the circle, I keep all my sponges. It's just very convenient, even my little small ones. And then all around, I separate all my brushes. So if I need something, I just twirl it around and I love it. It organizes everything. I do everything by face, by setting, by detail, by shader brush, by blending brush, by everything. So I have like a method of finding everything. Even though it looks kind of like a mess, there are sections in between. There are dividers, so I just know. Also, it doesn't have to be brushes. Like say for instance that you have all your main brushes, you can put sponges in another. You can also add skincare in another. It's all up to you. I just love how it just organizes my brushes personally. And then for the very last item, I kind of debated if I would put in beauty, but I thought, yeah, I think it goes in beauty, and it's the bug bite thing. Now, if you have not heard of this, it's mosquito season is coming. If it's already not where you're living, it's coming. I've seen some mosquitoes already, and unfortunately, like the logo kind of comes off very easily, but I don't really care. And people may think this is silly, but it's honestly so good. And you guys already know how annoying it is to get bit by a mosquito because they just itch like crazy. So you place this over your bite. You make sure this is at the bottom. You just suction it up. Now be careful. Don't place this on your neck or on your chest for too long. I think it's only supposed to be for like 20 seconds. Just use your own common sense because it will leave a hickey if you really suction it really well. So see, it's already a little bit red, but what's great is that it sucks up the mosquito saliva. So it's great and it helps your skin not itch as much. It will save you. And I figured beauty because like bites and all that and scars, and mosquito scars are not very cute. So hey, it'll help in the beauty department. And it's just annoying, it's on our skin, so that's part of beauty. All right, guys, well, that is it for my Amazon beauty favorites. Leave any comments down below in case I missed any. I obviously didn't include makeup and stuff because you can get that at Ulta, drugstores, and all that. I'm talking about like more gadgety type of stuff, but let me know down below in case I am missing out on something or if anybody else is missing out on a great product from Amazon that's in the beauty section. Leave some love down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!